So good afternoon, ma'am. I'm here to explain about the various political ideologies mentioned in the outline and the difference between politics and public administration. So the first is political ideologies. So ang political ideologies, which is our sets of beliefs and values about how societies should be organized and governed. So there are five types of political ideologies. So the first is liberalism. Ang liberalism is advocates for individual freedoms, democracy, and market-based economies. Second is conservatism. Ang conservatism is emphasis tradition, social stability, and gradual change. Next is socialism. Ang socialism is nagpromotes niya sa social equality, collective ownership, and redistribution of wealth. And the next is fascism. Authoritarian, nationalistic, and often led by a single dictator with total control. So the last is anarchism. So ang anarchism is opposes all forms of involuntary government, control and support self-managed stateless society. So the second question, difference between politics and public administration. So the difference of politics and public administration, ang politics which is nag-involve ni siya sa process of making a decision about the laws, policies, and governance open through elected representative. Ang public administration is nag-refers ni siya sa implementation and management of the government, policies, laws, and services. It is focuses pod on the practical execution of decision made through politics involving civil servants and bureaucratic process. Thank you.